Hello, in this video I will show you how to draw a wall. This screen, which is divided into squares, welcomes us. Each of these squares is 100 centimeters, in other words, 1 meter. To start drawing the wall, click on the Draw Wall icon on the top left-hand side. Then, move the cursor to where you would like to start and left-click. This will allow you to draw walls at 90 degrees. If you would like to draw walls with an angle other than 90 degrees, press on L on your keyboard, or click on the angle drawing button located at the bottom of the screen. Drag the mouse to create the wall in the direction desired, insert the length of the wall in centimeters using the keyboard and press Enter. As you can see, the first wall has been created. Now, drag the mouse to the direction you want to draw the next wall, insert the length desired, and press Enter. Keep drawing using the same steps. Up to this point, all walls are drawn at 90 degrees. To insert an angled wall, press L on your keyboard and activate the angled wall drawing mode. Insert the length of the wall, press Tab on your keyboard to insert the angle required, and press Enter to create the angled wall. Keep on drawing the rest of the walls. See you in our next tutorial video.